Guys, here we have a tablet Alcatel 310, and today I will show you how you can enable incognito mode on the three most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So you start from the Google Chrome, just open your app, and if you want to enable incognito mode here, just click here on this three dot icon and choose desktop side. Choose new incognito tab. And now you will surf internet in the incognito mode in the Google Chrome. So it's time for Firefox. In the Firefox, just click here on this little Zorro mask. If your background is purple, that means you are in the incognito mode. And the last one, Opera. In the Opera web browser, just click here on this little tab icon. Now switch to the private. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.